Oh, hey guys, I haven't seen you there. Anyway, we were about to do the BMW. Yeah, we're gonna get started on removing the how do you call it? Scomboliatore. Porco di... Porco... Okay guys, enough being dumb. So, today we start the E36 turbo conversion of this engine. It's a 1.8, I mean, you know the engine already. The 4-cylinder, 115 horsepower. Yeah, but before we make the E36 turbo, we want to replace the chain, the timing chain on the engine. So we got all the kit here, the chain, the piston, this is the chain guide, and this is the chain tensioner. After replacing this, we're gonna start with the kit, which we have right here. And on our next episode, we're gonna be unboxing this bad boy and see what we got inside. Oh, by the way, I got it from AliExpress for like 900 euros, including the shipping, yeah, the shipping and the taxes, because we pay some taxes from China to Europe.
Sì, import taxes.
Import taxes, yeah. So yeah, let's get started with this. Let's go. Oh guys, and by the way, this is the first serious project that we're gonna start in this new place that we just rented. So yeah, this is the workshop that we got together with my other 3 friends. You have seen maybe from the previous video. And yeah, it's almost completed. We're just missing a couple of things. This is going to be the first serious project that we're going to be doing in this workshop. So stay tuned, guys, because a lot of things are going to happen in this place. Let's get into it.
Headshot.
Anyway, guys, we got the fan group out, all the fan related things. We got out also the thermostat with its plastic thing. We also got out the water pump and the upper cover, the valve cover, and the upper half of the cover. So I'll show you how it looks here. So we had the valve cover here, we had the thermostat here, the water pump here, and all the fans over here. Guys, a quick trick: when you want to remove this, you're gonna have to lock. You need to lock the water pump pulley somehow, and we found the trick. You're gonna see the photo that I'm gonna be leaving here, how we locked it in place. And remember that this part here, you have to screw it in order to unscrew it. And of course you need to remove all the cazzo,
belts.
The belts, bravo. Another trick you guys can use when you have to unscrew this huge ass bolt, the crank pulley bolt. If you don't want to lock the engine from the flywheel, just put it in 5th gear, press press the brake really hard with the fifth gear in, and that's gonna block your engine.
Yeah.
Always keep the handbrake.
The first things.
Next step is to remove the pulley of the crankshaft, this cover, and hopefully that's all. Okay, see you in the next step, after the next step is done.
Ok.
Let's go, my friend.
Dove sta cazzo di puleggia?
Subito.
The next day.
Okay guys, day 2. We got the chain off. There is no chain. Another small thing that we forgot to tell you guys. You have to remove this thing, otherwise you cannot remove the cover. So you're gonna have to remove this AC first, the compressor of the AC, and then the holder, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, by the way.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you wanna do this shitty work, don't. No, I'm joking. Just beware that you need to remove this, and it's gonna take a while.
Throw this shit away.
Yeah, don't put the AC back on
Yeah, well,
unless you're.
you just need 222 and
No, I need AC. Okay,
Gasoline
no, I need AC. I need
nothing
AC.
else.
I need AC.
I don't understand.
AC
I
DC.
really don't understand.
AC DC. There you go. We already mounted the new chain, the tensioner, the guide. The piston is underneath the cover because we already put the cover in, and the oil seal. And yeah, I'm gonna mount everything and then try to start on the car and see if we did everything by the book. See you later. So guys, we got the valve cover.
Yeah.
We're gonna clean it with the digital ultrasonic cleaner. Bam!
Diventerà più grande.
Perfectionist. Okay guys, we got out after cleaning the valve cover a bit. It's still a bit dirty in here, but it's really hard to remove this side and I don't have too much time. But anyway, you're only gonna see this part of it. So this was also in, and this came out really well, as you can see. So right now we were thinking of painting this black and then mount it back on.
Bellissimo, sembra nuovo.
Spacca un sacco. Viti! Ora sono là.
Yep.
Sì, scusate, sì.
So everything's working properly. We did a good job. The engine is running smoothly, perfectly. The next episode, guys, remember to stay tuned because now the real things are about to start. We're gonna be unboxing the turbo kit for the E36, so stay tuned. We're about to go on an adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.